Today I'm taking a look at the S10 Pro laptop screen extender. So here is the extender. We can see we got a nice carbon fiber look there on the back, and that is on both sides as well. Got a Velcro strap, and that is holding everything together. On the back we do have a kickstand that has a full metal hinge holding that up, and next to that we've got our ports. So we've got our power port, we got our Type-C 2 and Type-C 1. Those are all USB-C. On the top we've got our power switch, and that is also a toggle. And if we open that guy up, we can see our display. Alright, so this is actually a spring-loaded close, so that will actually hold itself onto our laptop. And we do have some tabs here on the top, so this will actually sit and hold itself onto our laptop. There's a lot of extenders that just kind of sit behind the laptop, and those are fine, but if you want one that can actually lock to the laptop, this is going to be the style that you want. I usually prefer that because I like putting my laptop on a stand, and with this design we're still going to be able to use that stand, so the displays are going to be at the same height as the laptop. So we can see we got that spring mechanism right there, and we also have some rubber pads here on the bottom to protect our laptop. We are looking at 14 inches on that screen, and left screen is the same size. Also in the box we have got our instructions. We also have a quick start guide, and we've got our cables right here. So we got our power cable, that is USB-A to USB-C. We have two USB-C to USB-C cables, so this is going to be for connecting to like a Thunderbolt port or a modern Lightning port, anywhere we're going to be able to get video out through USB-C. And we also have a USB-C to HDMI. So if your laptop does not provide video out through USB-C, you can still make this extender work with this cable. And depending on the laptop and the power output that it can handle, you might be able to use just these USB-C cables in order to provide video, but if you're going to be using the HDMI cable, you'll need to provide power to the extender using this USB-A to USB-C cable. But it is nice that they gave us multiple different options for connecting to our laptop depending on what kind of a configuration we have. I do appreciate that these USB-C cables do have that 90-degree angle, so we're going to be able to plug that in. It doesn't matter where we have an available port on the laptop, that'll be able to reach to the left or to the right. So for right now I'm plugging into Type-C 1. I'm going to see how it can handle just one cable, if that's going to provide video to both displays or if I need to plug in both cables. Nice. And this is a Dell XPS 179700. This is a 17-inch laptop. That is using Thunderbolt 3. So here is Type-C 1. Alright, looks like we got our right display. Did pick that up automatically, so that's nice. And it looks like I am going to need to use the second cable for the second display. I'm going to plug that into Type-C 2, and I'll plug that guy in there. Okay, so now we have got our three displays. Now we can see on this one, we got those black bars on the side. That is because this is a 16:10. It is duplicating that to that display. So I'm going to right click, go to display settings, and instead of duplicate, we're going to put that on extend. All right. Let's scroll down. It is picking this up as 1920 by 1080, so these are both 1080p monitors. Let's go to advanced, and that is picking that up at 59.94 hertz. So this is a full 60 hertz refresh rate. Oh, just below it, 59.94. But what's nice about having these monitors is we can now take this, we can drag it to the right, we can drag it to the left. We have a ton more real estate that we can take advantage of. And there we go, we are running, so I can edit videos over here and watch some videos over here to keep my mind occupied. I can even take the program monitor, throw that over there, so that I got a much bigger display of what I'm actually going to be editing. Check my emails over there. I can play games, watch videos. Once you go dual screen, it's hard to ever go back, and once you got three screens, it just makes it that much better. But yeah, we got a nice resolution, we got a nice refresh rate, we got very good color reproduction. Overall, that is an excellent display extender.